Welcome back, folks. Today, we're diving into the world of car care, and I've got something truly special to share with you. If you're on the hunt for the best car wax for sun protection, look no further than CarGuy's Liquid Wax. Now, what sets CarGuy's apart? Let's break it down. This isn't your average wax, folks. It's a full synthetic polymer sealant designed to give you that deep, buttery shine you love from Carnauba wax, but with the long-lasting protection of a synthetic sealant. Applying this wax is an absolute breeze. Just a couple of easy steps, and you're good to go. Plus, it buffs off clean without any hassle, leaving you with a mirror-like shine that's sure to turn heads. But don't just take my word for it. Our customers are raving about CarGuy's Liquid Wax. They love how easy it is to use and how incredible their cars look after just one application. And let's talk about sun protection. This wax provides unbeatable UV protection, helping to shield your car's paint from the sun's harmful rays. Say goodbye to fading and oxidation, folks. So, if you're ready to give your car the ultimate shine and protection it deserves, look no further than CarGuy's Liquid Wax. Trust me, your car will thank you. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews on the best products out there. Until next time, keep shining.